Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to use Canva's AI image generator as a complete beginner. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and all you need is a few clicks. So let's get started. Head over to canva.com, log into your account, guys, and next click on or select apps here on the left sidebar. Next, select AI Power, and from the list of AI powered apps below, select that one here named Imagen to add it to your Canva library of apps you can use and access. They will also ask you to log into that application using your Google account, for example. And after that, they will also ask you to start either with a completely new design or with a design template, like for example, I don't know, a whiteboard or logo design or Facebook post. I will go with custom sized design with a resolution of, let's say, 1280 by 720. That will open up that editing tool of Canva on the next page or in another tab. Alternately, guys, for the future, you can also access the Imagen AI image generator by selecting apps here on the left sidebar as your content category, by scrolling down till you see these apps here, AI powered, and in that application category, scroll down till you see the Imagen image generator, click on it, and the following is mind-blowingly simple, guys. Simply enter or submit your text prompt here into this box to generate your image using the power of the AI. For example, something like that here. I have written a prompt for demonstration purposes like that, photorealistic style of a Shiba Inu with ninja bandana sitting in a dojo eating ramen. Just for demonstration purposes, guys, you can also go with an example, with a random example like that one here. Just remember to make your prompt as descriptive as possible and that it contains as much information as possible to make it easier for the AI to create stunningly beautiful AI art for you. Apart from that, your prompt must not contain any controversial or illegal content, of course. That might lead, for example, to inaccurate or offensive imagery. And once you're content with your prompt, click on this generate button here at the bottom. Just remember, guys, that with a free membership on Canva, you can use up to 3 credits for your AI generations. That's not too much, unfortunately, but if you like, you can upgrade to a premium account on Canva and that way gain access to more credits to use for that. So let me do that for demonstration purposes. Click on this button here. Wait for the AI to finish creating. That shouldn't take it more than a few seconds, I'd say. So let me skip that really quickly and I will see you in a second, guys. There you go. The AI, Canva's AI, has created my AI image for me so that I can use it, download it on my computer and do it whatever you like. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.